Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 1st of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the first day of April in the year 2025, our system has categorized QQQ as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.69. Now, let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The exchange-traded fund has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decreases. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential negative change of approximately 9.26% over the coming 3 months, with possible returns ranging between -12.28% and -1.3%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month assessment predicts a change of 16.89%. Based on our computations, the stock's performance may vary from 16.03% to 35.68% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price within a range between $548.48 and $641.38. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline QQQ ETF upgraded from sell candidate to hold accumulate after Tuesday trading session. The QQQ ETF price increased by 0.81% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 1st of April, 2025. The price rose from $468.92 to $472.70. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.98%, ranging from a low of $464.42 to a high of $473.63. In this period, the price has experienced ups and downs, resulting in a loss of 0.39% over the last 2 weeks. The volume decreased on the last day by 9 million shares, with a total of 41 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $19.29 billion. It is important to consider that declining volume amid rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $540.80, while the lowest price was $413.07. Currently, the price is 12.59%, $68.10, below the 52-week high of $540.80, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The latest news surrounding the Invesco QQQ exchange-traded fund reflects a complex landscape for investors. As of the 1st of April, 2025, early signs suggest that a market bottom could be near following a challenging first quarter, characterized by tariff uncertainties and high valuations. This potential rebound could positively impact QQQ in the short term, particularly as indicators like seasonality, the initial public offering market, and a decline in the VIX hint at stabilization. However, caution remains essential as volatility persists. Major market indices are still significantly below their peak levels. Investors are currently weighing their options between QQQ and other exchange-traded funds, such as JEPQ, especially amidst discussions about the ongoing NASDAQ correction. The recent spike in implied volatility for QQQ, reaching its 52-week high, denotes heightened market fear, influencing short-term price movements. In the long term, QQQ's exposure to leading technology companies, especially in the artificial intelligence sector, positions it well for potential recovery. While current sentiments are mixed, any reversal or marginal growth can catalyze renewed investor interest, pushing prices upward. Therefore, while the immediate outlook may be volatile, significant opportunities could arise as market conditions stabilize. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 26th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned QQQ an overweight rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 26th of February, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned QQQ a negative rating with a hold action. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 13th of March, 2025, and so far it has risen nearly 1%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite price gains. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the near short-term outlook. The QQQ ETF currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the ETF. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal regarding the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $480.10 and $498.04. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 28 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 25 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 25 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 16 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $471.60. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund typically experiences strong trading volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is considered low. Over the past day, the fund moved $9.21, representing a change of 1.98% between its high and low points. In the last week, the average daily volatility of the fund has been 2.17%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate low expectations for the company's future, or suggest that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at 472.73. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at 471.60. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $447.03, reflecting a decrease of 5.43%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, contributing to a reduced risk profile. Additionally, a buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom established 13 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? QQQ presents several negative signals indicating it may be a candidate for selling. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it is advisable to consider it as a hold or accumulate position while awaiting further developments. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a sell to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 2nd of April, we anticipate that QQQ will open lower by $2.45, beginning trading at $470.25. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to assume responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.